In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reboot your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the easiest way to reboot your iPhone is press at the same time volume up button and power button. I'm gonna show you how it works. Just press all of these buttons, both of these buttons at the same time, and then just wait for that screen to appear. All we have to do now to turn off our device is just drag this slider right here to the very right position, and after that your iPhone will be turned off. Keep in mind that you need to press and hold volume up and power button, because if you just press it, it will make a screenshot of your screen. So you need to press and hold. In the same way, you can use volume down button instead of volume up button. Just press and hold volume down button and your power button in the same way. Then we'll be able to drag it to turn our device off. Then let me show you another way how we can shut down our device. To do that, we need to go to Settings, then General, scroll down to the very bottom, and then tap at Shutdown. It will show you the same slider, and all we have to do is just drag it to the very right position, just like that. After that, your device will be powered off, and all we have to do in order to turn it on back again is just hold down power button until Apple logo appeared, just like that, and then we just need to wait for some time until our device is loaded. However, if for some reason you can't use none of three previous ways to reboot your iPhone, I'm gonna show you the way to force restart your device. If you got some bug or glitch, or your device is not responding to commands, you need to force restart it. To do that, we need to quickly press, not press and hold, volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold power button. Let me show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. Just keep holding it until your device will turn off. It can take some time. Then keep holding power button until Apple logo appeared, just like that. After that, you can release your power button, and then we need to just wait for the iPhone to load. That's how you can easily reboot and force restart your iPhone.